respected judges, teachers, and my fellow friends and my juniors. As we are celebrating Vigilance Awareness Week, I am going to speak about the topic uh, corruption is a mindset, not circumstantial. I think it is a mindset. First, corruption is not a new phenomenon in India. Corruption has been there for a very long time. It is very deep rooted in our country. Now it is a topic of discussion because it is growing to such a huge deal that we have to talk about it. And corruption is everywhere from health sector to economy. So first let's talk about economy first. Corruption is gradually and steadily and surely affecting our economy. It has reduced our growth rate, reduced our foreign investment potential, and in a recent survey conducted in 2020 reported that India is losing yearly $10 billion worth of money for corruption. For the context, the whole GDP of Mauritius, Bhutan, and Maldives combinedly is not $10 billion. So you can imagine how much it is deep rooted in our country. Corruption is also related to our health sector. Corruption, you can see that rich people are getting good health care, but the poor people are not getting it. Corruption is a huge topic of discussion, but let's talk about the reasons of corruption. There are various reasons of corruption. For me, the most significant one is the failure of our educational systems to develop moral, ethical value inside the students. Our educational system mainly concerned about the development of cognitive development of children,